Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook peeled fava beans. First, choose fresh, bright green fava bean pods. Shell the beans from their large outer pods. Next, blanch the shelled beans in boiling water for about 1 minute. Quickly transfer them to an ice bath to halt the cooking process. This makes peeling much easier. Simply pinch one end of each bean, and the tough outer skin will slip right off, revealing the tender, bright green interior. Once peeled, fava beans cook very quickly, typically in just 2 to 5 minutes. You can sauté them in a pan with a tablespoon of good olive oil, a clove of minced garlic, and some fresh herbs like mint or parsley. Alternatively, steaming them for a few minutes until they are tender crisp is a wonderful option. These versatile beans are fantastic in salads, risottos, or mixed into your favorite pasta dishes. Peeled fava beans have a delicate, slightly sweet and earthy flavor that pairs beautifully with many ingredients. Fresh herbs like mint, dill, and parsley are classic companions. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a little zest will brighten their taste considerably. Crumbled pecorino or feta cheese adds a lovely salty tang. A drizzle of high-quality olive oil and a sprinkle of flaky sea salt are often all they need to shine. There are countless delicious ways to enjoy your perfectly cooked, peeled fava beans. Serve them warm as a simple, elegant side dish, perhaps with a pat of butter. You can also mash them with a fork, adding a little olive oil and lemon to create a vibrant spread for crostini. They are excellent tossed with pasta, cherry tomatoes, and a light sauce, or incorporated into a fresh spring vegetable medley. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.